Another new day and pool party.
Welcome to my backyard. Planting a bird-friendly garden when you're renting might not be possible. However, you can still attract birds by installing a bird bath. I'm the pool cleaner, and even trying to clean in the middle of the day when the locals are having a siesta, they spy from the trees and inspect the pool before my job is even done. This is the local swimming pool, and you don't need to spend a lot on a fancy bath. Our toddler pool is made from an upturned pot and a saucer. The queue for a swim starts early in the morning. There's sometimes dispute about who's first in line. Some even go cuckoo waiting. If you're taking too long with your turn, the next in line will remind you what speed means. Although noisy, the miners are the best acrobats and generally the most entertaining. The afternoon pool session is usually the noisiest. Ha! The pool party is making a splash now. Thanks for joining us, and do yourself and the locals a favour by installing a pool.